Hello and welcome to my short tutorial on long multiplication. So the question we're looking at today is 1273 times 24. So first of all, we are going to look at the 4 and we're going to times the 1273 by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And I'm going to take my 1 over. Then I'm going to do 4 times 7, which is 28. Add the 1 is 29. Take my 2 over. Then I've got 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 2 is 10. Take my 1 over. And then I've got 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. Now I'm going to move on to doing the 20 times 1273. To make it easier, because it's a multiple of 10, I can add a 0 in the ones column. And now I can do 2 times 3 is 6. Then I can do 2 times 7 is 14. So I put the 4, carry my 1 over. And then do 2 times 2 is 4, add the 1 is 5. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Now all I need to do is add the two answers together. So 2 add 0 is 2. 9 add 6 is 15. Carry my 1 over. 0 add 4 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. 5 add 5 is 10. Carry my 1 over. 2 add the 1 is 3. So my answer is 30,552. So now let's look at another example. So this time I've got 7,429 times 132. So it's using the same principles of before. So first of all, we are going to do 2 times 9, which is 18. Carrying my 1 across. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 7 is 14. Like before, because now we're moving on to the 30, it's in the 10 times table, it's a multiple of 10, we can add a 0 in the ones column. Now we do 3 times 9, which is 27. Carry the 2 across. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 2 is 8. Then we do 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1 across. 3 times 7 is 21. Add the 1 is 22. Now I'm moving on to the hundreds, timesing it by 100. So again, a technique is to add the two zeros in, the ones and the tens. And then it's simply doing 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. Now, all you need to do is add them together. So 8 add 0 and 0 is 8. 5 add 7 is 12. Carry the 1 across. 8 add 8 is 16. Add the 9, 25. Add the 1, 26. carry the 2 across. 4 add 2 is 8. Add the other 2 is 10. Carry the 1 across. 1 add 2 is 3. Add the 4 is 7. Add the 1 is 8. And then 7 add 2 is 9. So our answer is 98,628. So that's how you do long multiplication. I hope that's useful and has helped. I hope to see you again in another tutorial. Thank you for listening and goodbye.